A heat recovery VRF system can significantly improve energy efficiency by transferring heat internally among different indoor units, and when the cooling and heating load is balanced, Lennox VRF system is one of the most flexible in the industry. The elevation between the indoor and outdoor units can extend up to 360 feet. And the elevation difference between indoor units can extend up to 98 feet. The longest piping length in the system can be up to 656 feet, with the piping length from an MS box to the furthest indoor unit at 132 feet, with a total system piping length of up to 3,280 feet. The auto mode for heat recovery systems maintains consistent indoor temperatures by allowing the indoor units to automatically adjust the operation mode in response to changes in the heating and cooling demand of the space.